Good morning, everyone, and welcome to your cycle art class. I am so excited to start a new marking period with you, though I am very sad that I can't see you in person, but we're still going to have fun. It's going to be a good time. Today, we're going to go over classroom expectations. Yes, we still have those, even though it is a digital online learning environment. Post this video, I'm going to have a Google link for you guys to access where you are going to sign that you watched and understood this video regarding classroom expectations. So here we go. Things will be a little different because we're not in school, but not so much different. We'll still be creating and learning about art together, which is the fun part. Before we start our journey together, let's review some digital classroom expectations. Though we are still online, whoops, that's a spelling error, sorry guys. Though we are still online, remember to remain school appropriate in what you post and say. So, I am not the only adult who can see what's going on in the classrooms. Okay, so we want to make sure to stay polite, school appropriate. Okay. We will have assignments posted every day, so please make sure to check Google Classroom. Assignments should be posted by 8:30 in the morning, and they will be due by midnight. If you have any problem completing an assignment, just email me, just let me know, and we can work it out together. If you're not sure how to complete an assignment, and I can't stress this enough, please just make sure to ask. I'm here to help you. I will do whatever I can to make sure that you understand and can hand in an assignment. I'm typically available and at my computer from 10 in the morning to 2 in the afternoon. Assignments will be graded. So there are 3 types of grades for assignments in art, just like in your other classes. Individual grades are worth 10%. Formative grades are worth 40% and summative grades will be worth 50%. If a grade is formative or summative, you will be informed. Otherwise, just assume it's an individual grade. Okay, so that concludes our classroom expectations. Please head over to Google Classroom to access your first assignment, which is a very quick get to know you assignment, as well as signing your digital syllabus. If you have any questions, again, feel free to email me, and I will be setting up a Google Hangout so that we can all talk to each other face to face. See you guys later and have a great day.